Hey YouTube, welcome back. Here's my CVS haul. I got 17 items that retails $109.63 for only $13.71. $13, under $14, I got all this stuff. So I split it up in 5 different transactions, and let's get started. First, I want to go over if you are starting off with no ECBs, sign up for Care Pass. It only costs $5 a month, and you will get a $10 Care Pass reward that you can spend the same day, or you can wait until you're ready to use it. But it only costs $5 a month, and you get more perks. You get 20% off of CVS brand products, and you also get free shipping on Care Pass selective items when you use it online. Scan your card at the red box so you can get your fees for the week. This one is the 49% off Alka-Seltzer Cool Mint. You get it absolutely free because it's on sale for 49 cents. And this is the Mystery Cosmetics on $4 off one L'Oreal or Maybelline Cosmetics. Okay, so originally I had everything mapped out of how many I was going to do, still 5 transactions, but I had to revise my scenarios because the first store I went to, the system was down, so it wasn't accepting CRTs or manufacturer coupons. So I had to just do one transaction, and then some items that I had on my list wasn't in stock. So I'm kind of glad that happened, but I was unable to get my All Made Cosmetics or my Cetera facial care bar for $2.49 because the other store didn't have it. So my first deal was the Colgate Deal. When you buy 2, you get back at $3.49. You get back a $4 ECB. Limit of 2, so I got 4. My subtotal for all 4 is $13.96. I had $3 in manufacturer coupons. I had a $1 printable, a $1 paper coupon, and a $1 digital coupon. And I also had $5 in CRTs, a 3 off of 12 Colgate, and a $2 off of 1 Colgate item from last week. And I also had $5.96 in ECBs. And my $6 ECB got reduced down to $3.96. If I would have knew that, I would have used this CRT instead of the 3 off of 12. But with this one, I got back, I would have added a mouthwash for $3.99 and got back, instead of me getting back $8 in ECBs, I would have got back 10. My subtotal would have been $1.95, and I would have got back $10 in ECBs instead of 8. But I was moving too fast, and when I seen that 3 off of 12, I was like, bump this. So yeah, I played absolutely 0, and I got back $8 in ECBs. My second transaction, I did the Babo Deal. These body washes are on sale for 2 for $7. I got 5 because I wanted to use my 3 off of 18 body wash of your choice, mix and match CRT. So I had $2 off 2 manufacturer coupons, which that was $4, plus the $3, plus the $8 ECB from transaction 1. And it made my subtotal $4.99. And I got back $7 in ECBs. This is my next transaction. It's been a ooh-wee with this bamboo tissue. Some people was able to score in the deal, some people wasn't. Last week they were giving these out for when you pay $6.99, you get back a $6 ECB. Well, it worked this week, but your amount may vary because some people said that they didn't get an ECB back. So your amount may vary. So just keep that in mind. So, and I also had $1 off one CRT for the palm olive, and I just went on and used that. These was on sale for $1.99, so it made the final price for this 98 cents because I used the $7 from the Dow with this transaction, and my out of pocket was 98 cents, and I got back $6. So I got the tissue for free. I wanted to get this Ajax, but I went to 2 different stores and they didn't have it, so I had to get the palm olive because I do need some laundry detergent. Well, not laundry detergent, liquid detergent, because I'm running low. The wipes were $9.79, and the cleanser was $12.99. These are tracking towards the promotion. When you spend $35, you get back a $15 ECB. So, and this transaction I only spent $22.78. But the coupons that I had was a $6 off 2 paper coupon that we got in this Sunday's paper, and I used a $5 off 22 facial CRT and 2 $4 off 1 CRTs. Dropped my subtotal down to $3.78, and I do plan on getting another 16-ounce size of the gentle cleanser for $12.99. I'm gonna use my Care Pass and a $2 off 1 digital. I'm gonna pay 99 cents and I'm gonna get back $15. Yes. And my last deal is the General Mills cereal. They're on sale for $1.99. I had a $2 off 8 breakfast items CRT, and I used 2 $1 off 2 General Mills cereal coupons. I had 1 printable and 1 digital. So I had $4 in total of coupons, and my subtotal was $3.96. But I'm gonna get back an extra dollar through Savings Star, so it's gonna make my final out of pocket $2.96 or 74 cents a box. So you can't beat that. That's cheaper than even Kroger Mega Sale. So yeah, I did that. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.